guys, welcome to hashtag quirky. Today's video we're going to be doing this look right here, which is kind of a date night slash Valentine's Day look. Now this is not really a day appropriate look. Mostly it's appropriate for the night, but there's a twist. I know during the corona times it's almost impossible for us to go out on dates. So this is also something that you can do for a virtual date. Okay, like as you can see, virtually especially this doesn't look very heavy to begin with, so that's a yay. And as I go through the video, I'll also keep telling you how you can tone something down for the day or according to your wish. It's a very easy look that I did. You can skip some products or add more if you want, but to me this is like perfect. You can see it turned out pretty well. Without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So I'll be starting my base with the NYKAA Honey Dew Me Up primer. It's a nice sticky primer, actually kind of provides with an adhesive base for the foundation. It's also slightly hydrating, which is a very good yay. Now it is advised that we must keep our primer for a few minutes before applying the foundation. So I'm doing my brows now. This is the Blue Heaven Perfect Eyebrow Pencil, I think. Comes with a spoolie and a triangle shaped pencil. I'm just using it to fill in the sparse areas in my eyebrows. I will be going ahead with a powder product as well because I'm really comfortable in using powder shades on my eyebrows rather than using a pencil or something else. Using this Revolution SOPHE palette, this is what we will be using today for our entire look. I'm taking this dark chocolate brown color as a powder brow shade, I think, for my eyebrows. This is an angular brush, by the way. Be patient while you're filling out your eyebrows because it needs quite some time. Do not rush this process. Before using the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline eraser concealer, in the shade Caramel. This has like a very nice yellow undertone which helps cancelling out a little bit of discoloration under my eyes, so I love doing it. This is the Wet n Wild foundation, PHOTOFOCUS foundation, and I'm mixing it with the NYKAA Glow Illuminator. Now I love the Wet n Wild foundation. It is actually a little bit drying on my skin, so I have used an illuminator with it. If you're looking for a foundation that will help you click perfect photos in the wedding season, this is something that you should go ahead and buy. I don't know, I got this for around $550, but recently I saw that the price of this is somewhere around $1,000. I don't know what has happened. I'll have to search it in Hawk Makeup once again, but in Amazon and NYKAA, both the places, the price has gone up really high. I don't know why. The same concealer I'll be using. This is the Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS concealer. I'll be listing the shades and everything in the description box. I'm just gonna use a little bit of it in my inner corners and the outer edge of my eye to lift it up a little. Forehead, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin, the regular areas where we usually want to highlight. I actually like to blend my under eyes in the end because it kind of gives a little bit of time for the concealer to sit there. So yeah, this is the last place that I usually blend the concealer from. The Miss Claire translucent powder. Now this is the blooming face powder, I think. I really love this product. I have talked about this in my must have makeup. I'll link the video in the eye. The Good Vibes face mist, Argan face mist, I've also talked about it in the must have video. From this palette, I'm gonna take this Mulled Wine named color, very light, nice reddish maroon color, applying it on my crease and on my low waterline. And then the same shade in a sparkle, this is called Romance from the palette. I'm going to apply it in my inner corners and draw a very small wing using the Blue Heaven felt tip liner. Not doing anything dramatic, just a little wing with the felt tip liner. This is a beautiful liner, guys. Do try it out. Using the Plum Kajal, I'll do a very little black outline on my lower waterline. Very little, not too much. And the white shade that is called Everyday, I'm using it on my inner corners. This is the LA Girl Spice palette. Took the lighter shade of blush from here. Curling my eyebrows, and then I'll be using two mascaras today. The Maybelline HYPERCURL mascara and the Colossal Lengthening Volumizing mascara, I think. No, the Volumizing mascara. Wet n Wild Ombre blush. I'll link everything in the description box below. Now this is not really an highlighter, but I'm using this as an highlighter on the highest points of my cheeks and everywhere else. This is the NYKAA Matteliicious lip crayon in the shade Pink on Fleek, I think. Again, everything will be linked down below. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I have dimmed the ring light a little bit to show proper colors. I don't know it worked or not. Take care, stay safe. Even if you're going on dates, enjoy yourself, but remember to wear masks and stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.